Sorry, come again. Who is that?
Sir, me, sir, Priyanka.
Priyanka.
Yes, sir. Sir, now, as like a minister has said that, HRD minister, he has said that the portion or the reduced portion will be there for NEET and JEE. So those portion wouldn't be taught even for NEET 2022. Now the portion that is reduced, it's not there for even for NEET and JEE. Yesterday it was announced, no, sir.
Okay.
Sir, it won't be there even for NEET 2022. Or will it be taught?
Getting breaking voice of yours. Okay, Priyanka, I'm not getting your voice clear. So much disturbance is there. Right. Do not worry about what syllabus is there in JEE 22. I think you are talking about that only. JEE syllabus 2022, correct?
Yes, sir.
So much of time is there. Do not worry. Do not worry. First, we'll focus on what is there in NCERT textbook and what is there in our college material. What board exam is suggesting the syllabus. Those things. Very soon we are going to get the clarity. You do not worry about 2022 JEE exams. Priyanka Tiwari, I'll give all the information. Okay.
Sir.
This week, is
Yes, sir.
It's the last exercise, 5 questions left. That's it.
only that.
Till 2 was started.
Very good. Probability.
Period, sir.
Sir.
Statistics,
Yes.
statistics
Direct.
left.
Statistics, sir will do that. Statistics, okay. It's okay. So I just want to finish this limits chapter, especially for the JEE students. Earlier, only one model is completed. What I'll do now, we are going with the limits chapter. Okay, limits chapter, especially that J4 students. J4 students. In the first class, I explained what is the limit of a function. Now we are going to do exercise number 13.1. What is the point in this? We will do model wise. limits and derivatives, we will do all the problems model wise. Okay. Model number 1. What is model number 1? Model number 1 is direct method. Direct method.
Sir, this is introduction for this lesson, sir.
Come again.
Sir, this is introduction for this lesson, sir.
Voice problem is there, man. Come again. Message. Send a message.
Okay, sir.
Who is that? Yes. Correct. Yes, ma'am. First you written theory, na?
Sir,
Continue.
nothing is written, sir.
Hey, written.
Sir, for us not yet started, sir.
Not
Who is
started, sir. Sir,
Sir, for state JEE students not started.
Man.
A1 section, sir.
Sir, we are A section, sir.
A section only. You are J4 section or J3 section?
J3, sir.
J3, sir.
J3.
sir.
For J3 section, I already explained that limit of the function concept now.
No, sir.
Sir, that time still
sir.
not
No, sir.
started, na sir, online class.
Right, okay, no problem. I'll explain all the things from the beginning. Anything is there in your mind regarding limits, you please erase it. Erase it. Erase it or not, man?
Yes, sir.
You just do like this, everything will erase. Okay. Limit chapter, beginning onwards we are doing. No more confusion further. J3 students, J4 students, all are there. Limit chapter. What is limit of a function? Geeta K, you please listen this class. The introduction I'll quickly recall again for some students in J3 section. Introduction is not yet over for them. Sorry for this disturbance. Limits chapter, beginning onwards, I am going to explain. What I will explain now, those things will be there on your notebook. Is that Geeta? First 2 pages, no need to write. You just observe what I will explain. That from that you can understand. Limit of a function is very difficult concept. Very difficult concept. Limit of a function is very difficult concept. To try to understand, it takes 15 minutes to understand what is going on exactly. Okay, first thing. This notation we will see. We will see this notation. I'll do one thing, man. For some people, already this chapter is over now. What I'll do today evening, I'll send classwork to you. Classwork PDF I'll send for this chapter, only for this chapter. So you don't note down anything. You just keep one practice book with you. That is enough. In that way, we can do a little faster. And after completion of the class today evening, you will get that notes. Now, by seeing that notes, you can copy it to your classwork. Any doubts in this?
No, sir.
Right. Just I am explaining the concept. This is the first point. What is this notation? What is this notation? We read it as x approaches to 2. Here minus symbol is there. We say that x approaches to 2 from left. What is this? X approaches to 2 from left. On the number line, 0, 1, 2. Here, these are the values. These are the values approaching to 2 from left. X approaching to 2 from left. Suppose if I written like this, what it means?
X approaches to 3 from left.
X approaches to 3 from left. X approaches to 3, X approaches to 2 from left. Means what? X approaches to 2 from left means all x values are less than 2, very nearer to 2, but not 2. X approaches to 2 from left means all x values are less than 2. All x values are less than 2. Very nearer to 2, but not 2. Observe, all these values are less than 2. Correct? All are less than 2. At the same time, they are all very nearer to 2.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But it is not 2. So you can take x values like this. X approaches to 2 from left means all x values are less than 2, very nearer to 2, but not 2. That is the first point. Next, what is this notation? Something like this. What is this notation? X approaches to 2 from right. X approaches to 2 from right. What it means? X approaches to 2 from right. This plus symbol is there, that's why we will read it as plus. On the number line, if you observe these values, we can take. These values we can take. X approaches to 2 from right means all x values are greater than 2, very nearer to 2, but not 2. So, how you can take x values? X values you can take like this: 2.01, 2.001, 2.0001, 2.00001. You can observe all these values are greater than 2. All these values are greater than 2, very near, but not 2. So, this is the second point you learn. First one is what? X approaches to A from left. A is some number. X approaches to A from left means all x values are less than A, very near to A, but not A. Okay. And this one. X approaches to 2 from right. X approaches to A. X approaches to A from right. X approaches to A from right means all x values are greater than A, very near to A, but not A. Okay. So 2 points you there. Next, third point. Third point. What is this? How you read it as? How you read it? X approaches to 2 from right. What it is?
X approaches to 2.
X approaches to 2. Here plus symbol is there, means we will say that x approaches to 2 from right. If minus symbol is there, then we say that x approaches to 2 from left. If 2 is there, just we say that x approaches to 2. What is this? X approaches to 2. X approaches to 2 means what? X values are greater than 2 or less than 2. X approaches to 2 means x value may be slightly less than 2. X value may be slightly less than 2 or x value
Than 2.
greater than 2. X value is slightly less than 2 or x value is slightly greater than 2 but not 2. Okay. So, what are the x values? X approaches to 2 means you can take these x values. You can take these x values or you can take these x values also. You can take x values like this or you can take x values like this. Total 3 points you learn. These are important things. X approaches to 2 from left means all x values are less than 2, very near to 2, but not 2. Second point, x approaches to 2 from right. All x values are greater than 2, very near to 2, but not 2. Third point, x approaches to 2. That means all x values are slightly less than 2 or slightly greater than 2, but not 2. To understand you, I take it 2 here. In place of 2, you can write 3 also. X approaches to 3 from left means all x values are less than 3, very near to 3, but not 3. Right. Geeta, you are understanding?
Sir, Sumukh, sir.
Sumukh. Sumukh, you please, all of you please mute your microphone. Why? Because if you are not muted your microphone, board is not visible. Your screen is coming in the recording classes. So I request all the students, when you answer at that time only enable your microphone. Okay, 3 points will add. Yes, Impana.
Yes, sir.
What are the 3 points?
Sir, x approaches to A from left, x approaches to A from right, x approaches to A.
Very good. X approaches to A from right means what?
Approaches to A from right means greater than A. Very near
All X
to A,
values
but not
are
greater than X. Very nearer to X, but not
A.
X.
Greater than A.
Sir, x approaches to A from right means all values greater than A, very
All
nearer
X
to A,
values.
but not A.
Very good. All X values.
Greater.
Okay. Good. Good.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Kusuma Rao.
Yes, sir.
What you learned? What are the 3 points you learned till now?
X approaches to A from left, X approaches to A from right, X approaches to A.
X approaches to A means what?
X approaches to A means all X values are slightly less than A, but not A.
All X values are slightly less than A or slightly greater than
Slightly
A.
greater than A, but not A.
Very good. Priyanka. Priyanka Tiwari. Not there. Okay. Varsha Narayan. Varsha Narayan. Okay, Vikas Gowda. Vikas Gowda, please respond. This is the problem in online classes. Oh, right, no problem. X approaches to A from left, X approaches to A from right, X approaches to A. Still, anyone have confusion in these 3 points? You can ask. Okay, now I am going to explain the concept of limit of a function. What are the 3 technical terms needed that we learned? Now the concept of limit of a function. Okay. X-axis, Y-axis, something like this. This is respectively, this is some L. Okay. You observe here. I am trying to explain this limit. This is a limit. LIM, you write like this, limit X approaches to A, f of X. What it means? Limiting position. What it means? Limiting position of the function f of X when X approaches to A. X approaches to A means what? All X values are slightly less than A or slightly greater than A but not A. All X values are slightly less than A or slightly greater than A or but not A. Okay. So here limit. Here X approaches to A is there. X approaches to A means X values are slightly less than A or slightly greater than A. We will observe the behavior of the function when X values are slightly less than A. So observe this. When X values are slightly less than A, observe the behavior of the function. What is the behavior of the function? Yes. What is the behavior of the function? Function is approaching to A. Function is approaching to A. Okay. And when X approaches to A from right, X approaches to A means X approaches to A from left or X approaches to A from right. It may be anything. It may approaches to A from left or it may approaches to A from right also. So here, when X approaches to A from right, observe the behavior of the function. See, observe the behavior of a function. Function is approaching to L. So, as x approaches to particular value from left and right, f of x is also approaches to some particular value. Then we say that limit of the function exists. Then we say that limit of the function exists. And what is the limit of the function? Limit of the function is
L.
yeah. So limit extends to a, f of x equal to L. What is its geometrical meaning? Limit extends to a, f of x equal to L. What is its geometrical meaning? When x approaches to a, limiting position of the function f of x is L. It means that what you need to understand from this, from the graph, when x approaches to a from left and right, when x approaches to a from left as well as right, function is approaches to same particular value, then we say that limit of the function exists, and that limit value is where the function is approaching to L. That's why it is called as L. Here, two things are there: left hand limit, right hand limit. What is left hand limit? Left hand limit is limit x approaches to a from left, f of x. Yes, can anyone tell what is the left hand limit of this function as per the graph? When x approaches to a from left, observe the behavior of the function. Observe the behavior of the function where it is tending to L. L. So left hand limit is L. What about right hand limit? Approaches to a right. What is this? Position of the function when x approaches a from right. That is approaching to L. What happened here? Hand limit. Hand limit. Hand limit is same as right hand limit. Then we say that the function does not exist. Explain this more clearly. Second example. You observe, I am trying to calculate left hand limit of the function. Is approaching to where? So the tendency of the function approaching to the left hand limit is what? Left hand limit is now you calculate right hand limit. Approaches from right, x approaches to a from right. That means x values are and a, and nearer to a. You observe the behavior of the function approaching to what value?
M.
Value m value. In this case, limit exists or limit does not exist.
Not exist. Does not exist.
Does not exist.
Why? Because first
Does not exist.
is not equal to right hand limit. Another method, by seeing the graph, you can say when x approaches to a from left and right, f of x function is approaching the same particular value. No, that's why limit of this function does not exist. So what we say, limit extends to a, f of x does not exist. Does not exist. Especially JEE students, this concept is knowledge is compulsory for JEE students. Suppose this graph is like this. Suppose this graph is like this. This graph is like this. Then after the behavior of a function, now you see when x approaches to a from left, it is approaching to L, and when x approaches to a from right, it is approaching to same L. So as x approaches to particular value from left and right, f of x is also approaches to some particular value, then we say that limit of the function exists. Otherwise, we say that limit of the function does not exist. So here, limit of this function, in this case, it is like earlier I drawn diagram like this. In that case, limit does not exist. I hope you understand the concept of limit of a function. Any doubts in this? You please ask anybody. Do not worry about the notes. I will send PDF notes to you. You all can write it later. Because some of you already written the notes, some of you completed the chapter, for some of you not yet started. So do not worry to do the things. For all our convenience, what I am doing, I am giving PDF notes for this chapter. Okay. And NEET CBSE batch. Earlier NEET CBSE batch is there, na?
Yes, sir.
In that, whose notes is neatly written notes? Anybody? Limits chapter until whatever is completed till that part. Anybody written notes neatly? What happened? No one is responding. It's okay. Mistakes are there, then I'll correct it. Do not worry. Brahmara.
So completed, sir. Classwork is completed.
Okay. Written neatly on notes.
So not neatly for my understanding purpose I just written. Sir, okay, it is understandable.
Any other your friend, your friend, a good handwriting friend in your class?
It seems Tanisha has written, sir.
Yeah, Tanisha. Tanisha is there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Written.
Tanisha, you have my number, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have.
You have any scanning app in your phone?
Right now, I don't have. If I want, I will download it.
This is Adobe Scan, ADOBE, Adobe Scanner. Please do a small favor to me. You take download this Adobe Scanner and take the pictures of that limits and derivatives chapter. Please send that to me. Can you do that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'll do it.
Right. Thank you. Right. So, yes, Tanisha, what do you understand finally from this concept of limit?
Sir, you have explained 3 points when x approaches to a from left.
That is, keep that aside. Keep that aside. What is the concept of limit?
Sir, limit exists when left hand limit equals to right hand limit. So limit does not exist if left hand limit not equals to right hand.
Very good. 100% correct. In simpler words, more simpler words.
Sir, that's all. Sir, it can be graphically represented for our understanding.
On the graph, what we can say?
Sir, it will,
When x approaches to a from left and right, f of x is also approaches to some particular value. Then we say limit of the function exists. Otherwise, we say that limit of the function does not exist. Okay?
yes, sir.
Now, what you understand coming in? Last point.
Sir, if so both the values from left and right approaches to a single solution.
When x approaches to a from left and right,
When x approaches to a from left and right, then the limit of the function exists.
then f of x is approaches to same particular value.
Then f of x approaches to same particular value.
Then we say that limit of the function exists. This notation is same like this. Limit extends to a, f of x is L. It means that when x approaches to a from left, limiting position of the function is L. When x approaches to a from right, limiting position of the function is L. From now onwards, we will see this very frequently. Actual geometrical meaning behind this step is this one. When x approaches to particular value from left and right, f of x is also approaches to same particular value, some particular value, then we say that limit of the function exists. Otherwise, we say that limit does not exist. Okay, right. So that's all about the limit of a function. To so many students, I already expect, but some students from A section, I think, from A section, A1 section, A section, A1 section students, you understand or not? Please send a message.
Understood, sir.
Understood, sir.
Understand? Okay. When it comes to the problems, first problem is like this. These problems model wise, all problems I will do from NCERT textbook, but we'll do problems model wise. First problem is like this. X approaches to 3x plus 3. X approaches to 3x plus 3. Now, first point, how to calculate this? Don't draw any graph. Directly we can say. The point is, I want to explain x approaches to 3. X may approaches to 3 from left. X may approaches to 3 from right. X approaches to 3 from left means all x values are less than 3. 2.9, 2.99, 2.999, 0.999. Approaches to 2 from left means like this. X approaches to 3 from left means like this. X approaches to 3 from left means like this. X approaches to 3 from right means all x values are greater than 3. Than 3, very near to 3, but not
3.
Correct? Okay. Now what I will do? I will observe the function. I will observe the function where I will write here I write the function. F of x. What is f of x here? This is the function given. X is what here?
X plus 3.
Extends to a f of x. This is f of x. Okay. What I will do when x approaches to 3 from left, where f of x is approaching, that I will calculate. X equal to 2.9 in this. X equal to 2.9, you will get 5.9. X is 2.99, 0.99, 0.999, 0.9999 like this. What happened here? X approaches to 3 from left. F of x is approaching to what value? 0.999. If you go further, what you are getting? You are getting 6. Correct? So, as x approaches to 3 from left, this is approaching to 6. Now, observe f of x. X approaches to 3 from right. This is 3.01 here. This is 3.01. What you will get f of x? F of x is 0.01, 0.001, 0.0001, 0.0001. What you identified?
Greater than 6.
Of x is approaching to
6.
x approaches to 3 from right. Of x is approaching to
Greater than
6. As x approaches to 3 from left and right, f of x is approaching to same particular value or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
What is that same particular value? That same particular value is
6.
6.
What we say? We say that limit of this function is 6. But every time we do not say all this story. There is a method known as a direct method. With the help of direct method, you can say the answer. For example, you see here, direct method means in this. No need of all this. This is the thing I explained to understand the concept. No need of all these things. No need of all these things. Okay. I'll tell you how to do it directly. Answer you got 6. Remember that. In this method, answer you got 6. What is the question? Limit x approaches to 3, x plus 3. In direct method, in the given function, we will put x equal to 3. Very simple. In the given function, we will put x equal to 3. Put x equal to 3, what you will get? 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is what? 6. Okay. So, what is the conclusion? Therefore, you got 6 now. In that method also, limit method also we got. So, what is it? Therefore, limit extends to 3, x plus 3 equal to 6. Limiting position of this function when x approaches to 3 is 6. Very simple. Now, one more question is there. Like this. Limit r approaches to 1. Limit R approaches to 1 pi r square. Pi r square. How to calculate this? In this function, wherever r is there, then you put 1. What you will get? Pi times of r square. Put r equal to 1. This is what? This is pi. Right? So, like that, total many problems are there. Around 15 problems are there in this direct method. I completed 2 problems today. Do not worry about this notes. I will send this notes to in that group today. Right. Right. Class is over. In next class, we will continue this model. Right?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Right.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.